What is going on, guys? Thank you for tuning into the video. Hope you guys are having a good one. As you can see from the title of the video, I need some help on my PC because it is completely taking a shit on me. If you're not part of my Discord, then you don't know the story of what happened, and I'll try and tell it really quickly just so I can make this video very quick and you guys can give me answers. So basically what happened was I turned my computer on the other day and I tried to log into my account on my computer, and every time I typed on my keyboard it would type multiple letters at a time. Obviously I couldn't tell what those letters were because when you type in your password it has the black dots, but it was typing a bunch of letters every time I clicked on my keyboard, and I didn't know what was going on, so I turned my computer off, decided to unplug the keyboard, plug it back in, turn it on, and when I did that, my monitors, all three of my monitors over here were not turning on, and I didn't know why. So I decided to turn my computer off again, unplug everything, and I left it off for about an hour with everything unplugged. When I came back an hour later to plug everything back in, my computer was working. I was able to type on my keyboard, I was able to play a few games even, and everything was working perfectly for about 2 hours. And then I left to go to an amusement park that is called Knott's Berry Farm out here in Southern California for about 4 hours. And I didn't want to turn my computer off. I was worried that this was going to happen again. So what I did was I put my computer on sleep mode. Little did I know this was a very bad idea, because when I came home, the power light on my computer, this guy, was blinking red, and I know when something is blinking red, that is not usually a good sign. So I freaked out. I didn't know what to do. I clicked it once, nothing was happening. I held it down, nothing was happening, so I didn't know what to do. I looked it up and they said just unplug it and plug it back in, so that's what I did. I unplugged it, plugged it back in, and then it never turned on again, basically. So I'm going to show you what it keeps doing. This is what happened when I decided to do that. I did leave it off overnight and unplugged everything overnight and turned it on in the morning, and it's still doing this. So I'm going to show you. This is the power supply right here. So I'm going to remove this really quick, if I can do this with one hand. All right, there we go. So as you can see, this is the power switch right here. And everything is unplugged from it right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it back in. Okay, and I just want you to see what happens when I click the power button up here, well, when I unplug it and plug it back in. Did you see that? It flashes red, and that is it. No fans move, nothing happens, just the light strips on my actual tower turn on. That's it. When I have my monitor plugged in, nothing comes up on the screen. My computer is dead, and I don't know what to do. I've talked to multiple people about this. For the most part, people think it's the PSU. Some people think it might be the motherboard, which would be awful. I'm really hoping it's the power supply unit, just so that I can get a new one, which can range from anywhere from 40 to 100 bucks. The motherboard, as most of you probably know, is a bigger deal. So if you guys have any idea what's going on, why my computer is doing this, if it has any relation to the way my keyboard was acting before and my monitors, please let me know. I really am worried about this. I can open this up. However, I am not a computer expert, and I refuse to do it because I don't know anything. I don't know what any of this means. I don't know any of it. All of it is confusing to me. I just know the terms RAM and PSU and processor, all this stuff, but I don't know what they look like. I don't know what is inside my computer. So I'm going to need an expert to take a look at this. So I probably will be shipping this out this week, my computer to an IT specialist, and just to figure out what's going on with it and see what I need done. But I wanted to get your guys' opinions because the internet is a huge place, and I'm sure there's someone out there that can help me out. So if you're watching this video, please let me know your thoughts and what you think I should do about this. I appreciate any help and advice on the situation. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.